Welcome to Definitions, Part 7. In this video we will continue to define common terms from the automotive hobby, using examples from our extensive library of visual content. These terms have been used on car lots, in auto parts stores, garages, racetracks, car shows, cruise-ins, and anywhere motor vehicles are found. Photos used are from Saturday night cruise-ins hosted by the Hamblen County Car Club in Morristown, Tennessee. Most of these photographs were taken by our club photographer Chantal Combs. Let's get started. A blue oval refers to the badge found on Ford products. To tub is to enlarge the wheel well size to accommodate exceptionally large tires, usually in the rear. In this photo, this pickup bed is being tubbed to accommodate a lower ride. Cutting coils is a method of lowering a car's ride height by cutting out sections of the coil springs. Bagged refers to having a custom airbag suspension system. A low rider is a vehicle that has been lowered by a hydraulic suspension system that can bring the ride height up in order to drive it. To be dropped is to significantly lower a vehicle. Slammed refers to a significantly lowered vehicle, dropped as low as possible and still drivable. Lowered refers to a vehicle that sits lower than stock height through suspension or frame modifications. A really low vehicle is said to be in the weeds. Chopped refers to removing a section of the roofline horizontally to reduce its height. A hardtop car that has had its roof lowered. The term power plant is slang for an internal combustion engine. A V8 is an 8-cylinder motor in a typical V shape with 4 cylinders on a side. Both heads are off-center from the camshaft, and the pistons travel up and down on an angle. CID is an acronym for cubic inch displacement, which is used to state the size of an engine. A RAT is a big block Chevy V8 engine, such as a 396, 400, 427 and 454 cubic inch displacement. A Hemi is an engine that has hemispherical combustion chambers in its cylinder head. Popularized by Chrysler, starting around 1951. In a car engine, LS stands for luxury sport, meaning it is majorly used in high-end cars that offer great performance. In a Chevy, the LS engine is the main V8 used in General Motors' line of rear-wheel drive cars. This Gen 4 376-inch 36.2-liter engine produces 430 horsepower. Headers are specialized exhaust manifolds that help reduce exhaust back pressure, therefore increasing power. A rice burner is a derogatory term for a car manufactured in Japan. Pinstripes are long narrow painted stripes, usually running the length of a vehicle. Pinstripes may also be done with narrow plastic tape. Scallops are a graphic, in the shape of a long narrow triangle usually starting from the front of a hot rod. A split window usually refers to a rear window that has 2 panes of glass with bodywork in between. Example, the 1963 Corvette. There you have it. That is all the definitions we can fit into a 5 to 6 minute video format. We presented terms from suspension, brand/model, body style/glass, engine, exhaust, paint, and wheels categories. How many did you know?